Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Pure Indulgence 2-quart frozen yogurt and ice cream maker. This product is a lot of fun to use. It's really easy to operate. First, you need to put your freezer bowl in the freezer. We recommend overnight at 0 degrees, and you put it right inside. You put your ingredients in here. You add your ice cream dasher, and this is what turns the ice cream as it freezes. You put your lid on, and you'll notice the lid has a little hole in it right here, where as your ice cream's almost finished, you can add in small pieces of fruit or chocolate chips or even a couple of small pieces of nuts. And after you get all your ingredients in, you just turn it on. It's beautifully designed. It has a stainless steel housing. And guess what? In 25 minutes, you're going to have fresh, flavorful ice cream or frozen yogurt right at home.
Making smooth, creamy homemade ice cream is an art that has been enjoyed by families for generations, and it's never been easier to indulge in this great American tradition than with White Mountain's old-fashioned ice cream maker. Your unit includes everything you need to get started: the powerful electric motor, the delicious recipe booklet, the stainless steel canister with lid that holds the recipe mix, the dasher for churning, and of course the long-lasting artisan bucket, handcrafted of 100% New England white pine. You will also need plenty of ice and rock salt, which together play a vital role. Start by placing the canister on the metal guidepost in the center of the bucket. Pour some ice around the canister to steady it. To insert the dasher, line up the diamond-shaped opening with the metal stem at the bottom of the canister. Turn it gently until it rests firmly at the bottom. Next, pour your homemade refrigerated ice cream recipe into the canister, filling it halfway. Put the lid on and turn the dasher stem, making sure it turns freely. To secure the motor to the bucket, position the center gear over the dasher stem. Then lock the left and right ends into the metal brackets on either side of the bucket. Be sure the White Mountain logo faces the same direction as the bucket logo. Now the freezing process begins. Fill the bucket completely around all sides with alternating layers of ice and rock salt. Pack the top layer with rock salt. Next, plug in the unit to start the motor. As the ice melts, add alternating layers of ice and rock salt. After about 20 to 30 minutes, your ice cream is done. Unplug the unit and remove the motor. Wipe off any ice or salt left on the top of the canister. Remove the lid and gently jiggle and pull out the dasher, pushing the ice cream down into the canister. You're now ready to serve rich, delicious homemade ice cream right out of the bucket, or scoop into your favorite container and freeze for later use. Perfect for parties or family fun time, you'll be hooked on the wholesome taste and amazing texture of your homemade ice cream. So go ahead, indulge. The memories will last a lifetime. White Mountain brand, churning out creamy goodness since 1853.